Hey there guys, Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to my 2018 Word of the Year reveal. This will be my third year doing this type of video, but this will be my fourth word. So if you're unfamiliar, in the crafting world, this was started by Ali Edwards, I think back in 2006, where she does a one little word a year project. Now, I don't believe that she is the creator of like a focus word for the year, but if you're doing the class and the scrapbooking and stuff like that, it's the one little word. So instead of setting resolutions, you pick a word that is going to be your focus for the year. My very first word was organization. I put us on a budget. I got my, my office and stuff organized. My second word was health. That didn't work out. This past year's word was consistency, and I felt like I really was consistent with posting on YouTube and posting on my blog and posting on social media and staying consistent with my way of eating. So I felt like I was really, really good at consistency. And my word for 2018 is growth. And it wasn't my initial word. My first word was going to be gratitude. And then it just didn't feel like it was sitting right with me, and which may sound weird, but I feel like I'm always grateful and always show gratitude as much as I can. I know that I've been a little inconsistent with that in the business part, and I'll get to that in a minute, but I really want my word of the year to be growth. And not just growth in my businesses, growth, I want to be, growth personally. I want to read more, expand my knowledge, learn more about the diseases I have in ways that I can live with them. I would like to, get to a point where I am walking again and going in public again and all those things that I've kind of stopped doing because of just fear and worry and doubt and those kinds of things. So I do hope to grow my Stampin' Up! Business. We are about to enter a celebration, and it's going to be, if you've been thinking about joining, it's going to be a great time to join. You're going to get 2 free stamp sets, etc. I'll talk about that in a different video. I want to grow my team at Stampin' Up! I want to grow my YouTube channels. The last 6 months have been some of the best of my life on YouTube. I felt like I've been really creative. I feel like you guys have come along for the ride and you leave such great comments. I did notice a little decline in subscribers once I posted those planner videos. Let me know in the comments down below if you would rather me just post those on Planning with the Elf, and I absolutely will. If that's the case, I want to grow the Planning with the Elf channel. I started it to kind of separate the two, and then I saw that it just didn't seem like it was working out, and plus I was having a hard time keeping track of 3 YouTube channels. But if you guys would rather see all the planning stuff on one channel, I'll be happy to do that, and I'll just share sales and sticker stuff over here every once in a while. So for my Etsy business, I would like to grow and not only do planner stickers, but also provide other things as well. You guys seem to really like my dashboards and my dividers and stuff like that. I have a renewed sense of creativity. I have a renewed sense of wanting to plan. I'd gotten to the point where I just didn't want to put anything that was happening on paper, which is completely an irrational thought, but I just didn't want to see it. I felt like if it was on paper, then that's what was happening, and I just didn't feel like that. So yeah, so this is me. You guys haven't seen me in a long time. I cut my hair off. I saw you guys in April when I did my 15 days of giveaways. I would like to do that again. I don't know when I will be able to do that, but it is something that I want to do. I'm going to start a frequent buyer program for the TheJollyFatElf and Planning with the Elf. I'm starting a new stamp camp. I'm starting a new Camp Elfie. All of those videos explaining what those are will be coming soon. I wanted to really keep this for my word of the year. So if you have any books that you've been reading that you really, really love, leave those down in the comments as well. I really would like to read 2 books a month. That's kind of my goal. I used to be a voracious reader. Like, I read all the time, and sometimes I reread the same books because I like to see what the characters are doing, even though I know what they've been doing. So it's just like revisiting an old friend. I get really caught up in the books. I'm a fast reader. I read all of the Harry Potters within a day, 2 days top. So I really love to read, and I haven't been doing it as much lately, so I really want to get back into that. I really want to start reading some more, self-help books and just really getting back in the frame of mind I was before all of this health issue started last year. I turned 40 this year, and I want my 40th year to be my best ever, not only with my businesses, but with social media, with my husband, and just personally as well. So it's the 30th anniversary of Stamping Up. They're going to be in Orlando at Walt Disney World in November, and I want to go. I want to go to Greece. That's my goal for this year, is to earn the incentive trip. So if you want to help or come along, just let me know. So yeah, growth. I'm excited. I may or may not document that. I've been thinking about starting back up pocket scrapbooking, mostly for like my weight loss, but we'll see. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you had a fantastic new year. I'm going to be posting card videos Tuesday through Friday, so 4 days a week. Every day, 6 p.m. Central Time. You can find blog posts to go with that as well. So a consistent schedule, you'll know when to expect something. So yeah, so I will see you tomorrow at 6 p.m. Bye for now.